How to create under maintenance page on Wix website is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by logging into our Wix account. Under My Sites, you can choose the site that you want to create your under maintenance page on. I'll choose this one, so select an edit site. This will bring you to your website's dashboard. You now want to click Edit Site, the blue button in the top right, which will then bring you over to the editor. I've already done this because this loads quite a long time. Now, once you're here, what you want to do is click Menus and Pages on the left, Site menu, Site menu. What you now want to do is click Add Page at the bottom. Click Blank Page. Now you can name this however you want. Let's say under maintenance. Click Done. Now left click these three dots and set as home page. Now click the three dots again, go to settings. Now enable the hide from menu so that it's not at the top here next to home and FAQ. Layouts, set it as no header and footer. And then there's all these other things. Who can view this page? Everyone should be set. And SEO doesn't really matter because you're currently under maintenance. Now remove this, and now this is the page. This is how it looks. What you now want to do is go to Theme Manager, Text, add a heading, apply, or add a text over here, heading. Now say under maintenance. This size is good. Now change this to your liking. There we go. You can now drag and drop this to the center of the page to make sure that people know that your page is under maintenance. Hit publish. There we go, visit site. And if we go to here, we should have our maintenance page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.